How's it going, audience dudes? Hello, everybody, and welcome to the latest episode of VincentVision. Watcha! I am here, chilling in my home. This video here is going to be a little bit shorter. This is going to be a different type of video because, well, I've got a hold of something really cool, and I want to show you guys. A couple days ago at Universal, the Tribute Store put out these limited edition Halloween Horror Nights vinyls. The Music of Halloween Horror Nights by the group Midnight Syndicate. They put this vinyl out and it was limited edition out of 500. So they only made 500 of these vinyls. And as soon as I found out, I had to run over there and get myself a copy. And honestly, I was a little nervous. I got there at about like 10, 20 or so, but I was able to get a record, and at like 11 o'clock, 11:30, they were all gone. Wow. So check it out. Here it is. This is it. The Music of Halloween Horror Nights. I apologize, the sun. They actually didn't have like a limit as to how many you could buy, so I got 3. I got one for me, one for a friend, and this little extra one right over here, which is for one of you guys. That's right, folks. You better believe it. We are doing a giveaway! Woo! This is gonna be a really simple giveaway. It's all gonna be contained within this video, and I'll tell you guys what to do later in the video. What I wanted to do before that was show you guys what's inside. We're gonna do an unboxing, or rather an unwrapping. I've never done one of these before. I wish I had like one of those big tables that they have and like an awesome setup with a camera up top, but we're just gonna make it work with what we've got. So this is my personal copy. This is the one I'm gonna keep here at my house. I'm gonna open this one up because I do have a record player. I am able to play this music. And once I like decorate the house and things are spooky, I will definitely be playing this all day. But let's get started, shall we? So the cover is pretty cool. This has been like the promotional art that what I'm assuming they would have been using for this year. You've got Jack the Clown, the caretaker, storyteller, director, Fear from Halloween Horror Nights 20. And then up on the top right over here, there's a limited red vinyl edition. Now I don't know if this means that those 500 vinyls were the red vinyls and that was like the limited edition ones, and maybe they'll make this record again. I'm sure they will, like why wouldn't they? But I had to have it. And it comes with a free download code. So I'm actually gonna give away the download code as a runner-up for this giveaway. So first place is gonna get a record for their own, and then the download code will be a second. I'll just send that to someone. In the back, Halloween Horror Nights has become the world's most anticipated haunt industry event, and Midnight Syndicate has been there from the beginning. Fans will recognize these eerie themes that appeared on the award-winning HHN website. The themes were omnipresent and detailed in... What? The themes were omnipresent in detailed haunted house mazes, elaborate scare zones, and creepy entry and exits of the Universal Orlando parks. Taken from some of the most creative years of this amazingly popular event, this album also includes several original haunting scores and creepy narrations that are being released for the first time ever. So drop your needle, sit back, and relive our gory days. Ooh, Jack the Clown. He's on this one too. Halloween Horror Nights, Midnight Syndicate, and this copy here, my copy, is 189 out of 500. So whoever wins, they're gonna get 190 right over here. 190 out of 500. All right, let's open this thing up. I wanted to be delicate, so I've got this wooden stake here that's supposed to be used for like a little tiny herb garden. I'm gonna use this to pop open the vinyl, get rid of the saran wrap. So here we go. Let's see what's inside. I'll leave these sounds in here for anyone who likes that kind of stuff. This is so cool. Honestly, this is really like one of the coolest pieces of merchandise I think I've ever seen for an event, and especially Halloween Horror Nights. This is definitely the coolest thing they have made for Halloween Horror Nights, and that looks a little better now that you can see it, not as shiny with the saran wrap. Those are the guys right there. That's Midnight Syndicate. This time we got the usher inside. Cool, cool. Got all the songs right over here. A quote from TJ Manarino, the Vice President of Entertainment for Universal. It is difficult to overemphasize how much of the music of Midnight Syndicate played in the historic success of Halloween Horror Nights. Our art and design team drew inspiration from the various tracks from many of their albums as VincentVision created and produced early websites, attractions, scare zones, and haunted houses. The same sounds wafted through the event itself and embedded in the powerful sound systems employed throughout Universal parks. Proof of this invaluable contribution is evident in this compilation of memorable cuts. To this day, Midnight Syndicate music wafts, forgive me, through our design studios as we imagine worlds to come. Yeah, it's very true. Like, honestly, music is such a big factor for Halloween Horror Nights. And like, yeah, we all know, like, send me an angel! But like, just the music that plays through the parks and all the different themes. Like, even like the popular like IP franchise houses. Like, I remember the first time they did Halloween and just having that music play as you were coming into the house. Music really, really is such an important part of the experience for everything in theme parks, but especially for Halloween Horror Nights. Here we go. There it is. This is the Halloween Horror Nights record. This is so cool. It's red and it's like a chainsaw right over here. I will open this later, but the seal right over here says the mark of high quality by Gotta Groove Records. So Gotta Groove Records, good job, you guys. This is a really, really cool record. I would play it on this video, but then, you know, I just get flagged for being monetized. But it's really well done. It's really well done, and I'm happy that I've got a copy for myself. Like I said, as soon as I heard that this was a thing, I had to have it. I had to have it. I think it's such a cool thing, and this, you know, this helps ease the pain of not having Halloween Horror Nights this year. Very cool. But enough about my record. Let's talk about your potential record. So, we are going to do a little giveaway. I am going to be giving away one of these records here so that you can bring Halloween Horror Nights to your home. I've never done a giveaway before, so we're going to kind of just like try to make this as simple as possible. In this video here, leave a comment telling me what your favorite Halloween Horror Nights house has been. If you've been to the event, please share your stories. I'd love to hear what your favorite house has been. There have been so many houses over the years. You know, it's easy to forget, and sometimes I like to see them and go, oh my gosh, I remember that haunted house, because I've been going for a long time. And if you haven't been to Halloween Horror Nights, that's okay. I'm sure you've looked up information. Just leave a haunted house in there. That's how I'm gonna pick somebody, you know? And the second thing, leave your Twitter or your Instagram handle so that when the time comes, I can message you and say, hey, you've won, and we can figure out where you live and stuff like that, how to send it over to you. I'm sorry, I know some of you guys may not have a Twitter, some of you guys may not have an Instagram, but this is the only way that I was able to figure out how to do this giveaway on YouTube without just doing it on Twitter or Instagram. So, sorry, I hope that you guys are comfortable with leaving that there. And if you want to leave your email, you can do that too. I wouldn't recommend that, but that is just a way that I can message you as well. I also have my email there, so if you have any questions, just email me. And then, if you're just like watching this video by random, please subscribe, please like. It's not gonna help your chances, but I would really appreciate it. I just wanted to do this little giveaway because I've been doing these videos for 3 years now, and I really wanted to give something away to my fans, and unfortunately I didn't buy 4,000 records. Hopefully this is a good enough gesture of gratitude for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this little giveaway. It is Saturday today. We are gonna do this until about I will pick a winner on Wednesday, September 2nd. So we will keep this going for a couple days. I don't want to keep this running for too long. I will say, hey, you won. I'll message you on Twitter or Instagram, and we'll go from there. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching this little unboxing video. I wish you well in the contest and the giveaway. I would like to do more giveaways soon, but until then, Halloween Horror Nights, baby. That's all I got. See you around. Good luck. Have fun. Leave some comments. May the best fan win. Bye-bye.